Welcome to this short video from Skills at Library, which gives you information about how to access journal articles using Search at Library. Journals specialise in particular subject areas and are published regularly. Inside a journal, you'll find articles which focus on research and ideas in one subject area. Journal articles are a great source of academic information for your assignments and will help you to keep up to date with research and thinking in your subject. Most journal articles are available online, and the library pays so that you can read a large number of them for free via Search at Library. Any keyword search in Search at Library will bring back some journal articles in the results list. You can see here an example of a journal article from a search for digital learning. The Full Text Online link means that you can read the whole article online. You might need to use your university username and password for this. You will usually be able to download a PDF of the article, save it, print it, or email it to yourself. Online journals can look quite different from one another, so if you have any problems, look for the help screens to guide you or ask library staff for help. Thank you for watching. If you would like more information about how the library can help you, please visit the library website.